means it's mine.
It reminds me of my childhood. Take 2, go.
The intro.
Okay, take 3.
The intro.
Take 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Welcome back, guys, to our video, to Clear Friends channel. Today we're gonna do a mukbang because we hit 1,000 subscribers. That's a big accomplishment. Go.
Alright, I'm gonna wait for you to sit. Yeah, it's recording. Hi, hello, welcome to Call Your Friends YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Thijs. This is
Mo.
This is
I am Jason, aka Kuya Friend, and hello to our
Supporters and everybody
Yeah.
Hello.
who follows us.
Today, you may notice we're in a kind of a different room. This is our studio. This is where we're gonna record much of our vlogs. And today we're gonna do the KFC mukbang challenge because this week we have reached 1,000 subscribers. That was a big accomplishment, so we thought we gotta go big by doing the KFC mukbang challenge.
It's not really a challenge, but we're just gonna do a mukbang.
Yeah, because in a celebration. So hello there and welcome from our vlog Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and Metro Mega Manila, Philippines. Yeah, I'm a Filipino. So if you want, would you like to say something to your land? This is like from Friesland.
Als jullie ons volgen, bedankt voor het volgen. En we zijn natuurlijk heel erg blij als jullie geabonneerd zijn. Ja, we gaan dus nu de mukbang doen.
Oh, okay, let's start it now because everyone is hungry right now.
Everybody's hungry.
Yeah.
Everybody's ready for some chicken.
So,
Alright.
yeah.
So let's start.
Move. Yeah.
So we're gonna start.
I think this one is yours, but I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, it is.
We have also some strips.
Yes, it is.
Sorry.
Alright, we're gonna begin.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh Jesus.
So we are now eating because the team is already hungry. So because we started. It's not.
This is my first time eating
Whole one
KFC.
bucket.
This is my first time eating KFC, and it's really good. I like it.
This chicken strip is pretty dry, actually.
Yeah, I mean it's kind of cold, but it's good.
Oh dear.
Oh, it's
No.
a lot of chicken.
Now at least we have
Got
something.
juicy.
We have our rewards for doing our best job just to get
1,500 subscribers.
1,500 subscribers. It was really hard
No,
to get this, to get them.
get so many subscribers at once.
There was a lot of challenges because they were studying at the same time,
This
and
week.
they also need to work with that thing.
It's pretty chill, yeah. Well,
Yeah.
I got so many lessons at my school right now. I have to learn a lot, obviously. So yeah, I've been pretty busy with that. I'll still be busy with that for 2 weeks.
There's a lot of chicken.
I can smell the spice or the barbecue.
I don't think I can eat this all, but I will try my best to eat this all.
Me too.
It's a lot.
Most can eat it all. I already know.
I never tried to
By
eat
far.
one whole of this one by myself. Never. I just only take like 3 or 4.
I'll take as much as I want until I'm just full. I wouldn't be surprised if Mo finishes first without a problem.
You don't need to hurry, Mo, because there is no prices for this one.
There's no hurry, no time limits, or at least this one isn't spicy, insanely spicy. Last week, I was tripping, I was slapping, I was puffing. It was last week from the heat. It was so spicy. I don't think that chip's gonna be any less. Probably gonna be spicier.
Yeah.
Really good.
It's so nice to eat like this after a very hard working day. I didn't know that live streaming was gonna be a little bit hard because you need to keep talking, so people might stay with you.
It's hard to do that.
But you know, most people earn a lot of money in streaming in YouTube.
Yeah, if you stream like an hour a day, if you have 1,000 followers, you could earn money.
Ty said this was his first KFC.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah, that's true. That's very much true.
How come?
Well, I don't know. Because it's in Alkmaar, I don't know. I never really came around to it because if it comes to Burger King or McDonald's, they were always nearby or pretty accessible, and this one wasn't really. And I don't know. Then I guess I just forgot about it. I didn't really get around to doing it. It's just us eating for 20 minutes in silence.
He wants some silence now because
Yeah, there's gonna be like 20 minutes of silence, just us eating.
yeah. So guys, join us eating.
You got some chicken yourself. It's not coming out.
Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot.
It's way too much. Oh, I didn't do it quite correctly. It's like nothing happened. I'm not taking any spice today.
No, don't worry, bro.
I can finish this. I think. I hope.
Don't worry.
I think I can.
If you can't finish it, you can just bring it home.
Oh no, they don't.
No,
Mine. It's mine.
It's mine.
Some weight today. Wonder how that happened.
Wasn't
I
yours.
got stripped too.
Okay.
But I love pain.
Oh, okay.
I like torture.
I like torturing myself as well, but not in this way.
He's turning red. Look at this. He's turning in front of the camera, so it's gonna be nice, especially the sounds.
Put it close to the
What do you
mic.
want? Coke?
Yeah.
Bringing up a bag.
Did he buy a bag?
A bag of Coke.
A bag of.
Okay.
Not a bag of Coke.
Okay, it's enough, man. Thanks, man. Whoa!
Oh shit! Sorry, Jason.
I'm fine, dude.
No, the chicken!
No, you gotta keep this in. You gotta keep this in.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Are you wet?
No. Wait,
Okay.
wait.
I said wet.
I know.
Dirty.
It's a dirty joke.
Did you get dirty?
No, I didn't.
What do you mean? I don't really understand you guys.
Good.
Good.
Keep it that way.
I really don't know what they're talking about.
No, it's 15-year-old humor.
Ration. Wet in Netherlands is nut, right? Ben jij nat? Nemo? I don't know what's really funny about being wet. They're really laughing hard about it. I really don't know.
It's not really funny being wet.
Yeah, because the Coke wasn't spilled out, I was asking you if you get wet.
You get it now a bit?
Man.
Oh god.
I'm full.
Fool.
A few inches later.
I didn't swear. What was that, man?
What?
I didn't swear. Now I can finish.
See.
There you go.
Do be jumping though.
Wait, you do be sis.
I got them big beans.
Oh boy. My last bite. I'm finished already.
You eat so fast.
You still got fries.
Because I want. No. Oh no. This was good chicken. I'm not gonna lie. This was strip.
It is.
Oh, dude.
It means it's mine.
It reminds me of my childhood.
Perfect timing.
Well, I'm laughing, but I don't know why I'm laughing.
No, he was not. He was doing something dirty to the chicken, and exactly then you said that reminds me of my childhood.
But here's the bonus chicken is mine. They was doing the dirty thing, and then he said it right.
My belly doesn't feel okay.
I'm
Come
not,
on, Jason.
although I'm a big person, but I am not really a big eater.
You don't have a big stomach?
I do.
Oh. Is there a place for a lot of chicken?
Yeah, I guess
Oh man.
maybe I'm gonna eat it later while watching some movies since it's already.
2,000 years later.
I knew that.
Right. Mo, are you finished?
Well, no, because I'm really full.
Well, okay, there's spirits in my house. In Jason's house.
What?
There are spirits in your house.
Spirits.
Yeah, something fell off your table. He's soggy,
Am I soggy?
if you want to.
A few inches later.
Yes! Okay. Where did that come from?
I didn't know.
From your.
Hell, not.
He's down.
Do it again. Nick.
Ah, that's burning. I'm gonna be out. Oh! I'm gonna be honest. I think they put something in their chicken.
Yeah.
I'm starting to think this is not chicken.
This is not this is not a chicken.
Oh shit.
I'm starting to doubt if this is chicken. I'm not sure if this is chicken.
Yeah, thank you so much for staying with us. It was nice. It was nice.
It was delicious.
Yeah.
I'm starting. Yeah, I don't know. Once again, I don't know if this was chicken according to Mo. Just take a look at it.
Yeah.
Play back the video 5 minutes. You see the exact same result.
Yeah.
Anyway, this has been delicious. This has been great. He's, I think, dead. So this has been the celebration for our 1,500 subscribers. And we're gonna see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Right, Mo?
Yeah. We will get to talk about it. Okay.
Oh boy.
Yeah. So yeah, it's time to say goodbye and see you next time.
See you next time.
I love you.
Turn off the camera now.
Later.
Love you.